Warning. I repeat, warning. Do not make an important decision when you are in a shitty state. Hey everybody, Sam Spataro here from my channel, and I hope you're all doing well this morning. Guys, listen, if there's one thing I want to recommend for you, is to never make a decision in a shitty state. I can recall thousands of decisions that I've made in my life pertaining to my relationship, my businesses, my mental well-being, with my children, with my family and friends, and have always had dire consequences. When you are in a shitty state, you'll be fueled by the worst possible thoughts, emotions, and then actions. And so in this short video, what I want you to do so you start having a more fulfilling, rewarding life, start creating pauses between being reactive and controlling how you react. And so get into a good state, work out, meditate, drink some water, go for a bike ride, and then go ahead and give yourself 3 options that you can come up with that will create a different outcome, a positive outcome, an outcome that will change your life for the better, that will create better decisions in all areas and aspects of your life. And so become your own hero today. Take a pause. Don't be reactive with everything that's going on, especially today. And you will regain your mind, your heart, and your life will be so much more fulfilling. I'm rooting for you guys. Go ahead and keep smiling today and always dream big.